Hi, and welcome to another video with Modules Unraveled. My name is Brian Lewis, and this is the first video in our series on organic groups in Drupal 7. In this first video, all we're going to do is set up organic groups, have a group content type, and configure the article content type to be posted to a group, and that's it. So in order to get started, you have to have Drupal installed on your server, and I'll be using the standard installation profile for this whole series. A couple of modules that you're going to need for this are organic groups, which can be found at drupal.org/project/og, and entity API, which can be found at drupal.org/project/entity. Once you have those installed, we're going to enable a few parts of them. First, we'll do the organic groups module. We'll also do the organic groups UI, and we'll do entity API, and I'll save that. Now we'll create a content type that will be used for our groups. So we'll go to Structure, Content Types, Add Content Type, and I'll call this Group. We'll give it a description. And then for the comment settings, I'm going to set these to hidden. If you wanted a Facebook style wall for your group, you could leave these on, but for this video series, I'm just going to turn that off. And under Group, we're going to say this is a group type, and save. Now let's configure the article content type to be able to be posted to a group. There are two ways this can be done, and I'll be showing you one way now, and you'll learn the other in the video Organic Groups field settings. So for this one, we're going to go to Structure, Content Types, and for the article content type, we're going to edit it. And now we'll scroll down to the Group tab and say that this is a group content type, and save that. Alright, now let's create our first group. We'll go to Add Content, Group. I'll call this group number 1. And we'll give it a body. And for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and provide a menu link. And then I'll just save that. Now we see our group. You notice it says that you are the group manager. This is where the request group membership link will be for users who are not a member of the group. And if we switch over to Safari, you can see what that looks like. I'll refresh. It's group 1, and it says request group membership. So this group is currently a public group with public content, but membership requires approval by a group administrator. I'll show you how to set up open groups where users can register without having to be approved in the group permissions video. I'll also show you how to set groups and/or group content to be private or public in the Organic Groups field settings video. For now, let's just post an article to the group. We'll go to Add Content, Article, give it a title, and a body. Now under the group's audience at the bottom, we'll select group number 1 and save. Now we see the article. And if we scroll down, we can see that the group's audience is group number 1. Now if you're coming from organic groups in Drupal 6, this is where you'll be disappointed, because we're not done yet. If you click on group number 1, you'll see that we're taken to the group page, but there's no sign of article number 1. In the video Organic Groups layout, I'll show you how to display group content on your group homepage.